buddy? So today we're back again playing some Phantom Forces. So I just started playing on this whole new laptop, so it's gonna take a little time for me to adjust. Like, I'll be right back into as good as I was before, as soon as it's kind of loud. Here. Take cover and turn the volume off. Let's go. Oh, good. Let's go here. There's some enemies right there. Oh, see? Didn't do dance. Nice with sniper, bro. Oh. Man down. So what? So that's the gun you have. That's cool. Okay, well, I'm changing back to my gun. Oh, cool, you have a Remington. Interesting. Oh, being shot at, I believe. Okay. Good. We hit 2 seconds. I haven't seen any enemies. Oh, yes. We're pressing on to kill. Oh. Taking damage. Oh. Good job, teammate. You got him. Scouting the area. Looking for possible enemies. Okay, got him. So, one enemy. Oh, shoot. Darn it. People just hide pretty good. Oh, let's try this again. I mean, I like this map, but like at the same time, it's kind of weird. So those people that are attacking us from there, now I know their exact location. So I'm gonna go and stab them from the back if they're still alive by the time I get there. Nice. That guy's still alive. I don't think he's alive. Yep, definitely not alive. Take cover. Okay, got him. Let's go. Out. No enemy spotted. Oh, right. Oh, he's shooting. Oh, shoot, he's shooting again. Okay. Oh, no. I'm going up. Hi, my dear. It's your birthday.
Of this.
So,
It's chocolate.
I'm making a video. And say hi. Tell
Hi.
them what it is. It's your birthday,
It's
right?
chocolate.
No, it's your birthday, right?
It's also chocolate.
Yep. So, guys, my sister would also like if you like this video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's your birthday. Come on, please like it.
Today is my real birthday.
Yep.
It wasn't yesterday. We're not celebrating it like today just because it's like.
This is really legit birthday day for her.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you don't believe us, then just look at that chocolate. Would she get that on a normal day? Would she? Okay, I got him. Oh, you're a teammate. Oh,
You have to win ours. And I promise you guys, it is so good.
Yeah, I got 1.5 grilled cheeses and a cocktail of drinks. Just like I put Pepsi, then I put a bunch of things. It tasted pretty good. I also just took like all of my brother's Reese's butter cake. Like we just took it all from him. It started when my mom asked for a tiny little slice, and then she accidentally just peeled off like half of it, and then I asked for some, and then at that point like we had ate so much of it, and he was just kind of mad, I think, or like annoyed because like he just had no more food. Oh, there are a lot of enemies over there. Oh.
Yeah, so maybe later in the day we could do a birthday special.
Yeah. I already made a video about you on the day. Oh, shoot, I'm
Like
at.
maybe to show all of my birthday presents.
I don't have any ammo. Help me. I gotta use my pistol. And I have no ammo.
Cool. Let's take a bite. Milk chocolate.
Oh, can I actually have some?
No, you already had your share.
Darn it.
Milk chocolate and chocolate.
Let's find this dude. Oh, I guess I'll just take this guy's weapon. What do you have?
You show some love. Like, subscribe.
Yep. What she said. Exactly what she said is what you should do. Because... Okay, that's one. Man, that guy had a really nice gun. So, Andrea, what do you think? Want to start playing this game with me? On your Kindle? Maybe when you get a Chromebook, you can, if you ever do get one, you might be able to, like, you know. So what else did you get for your birthday? Have you opened all your presents yet?
No.
Cool. I hope you get $1 million. Because Mom bought you a lottery ticket, and suddenly you won $1 million, because it's...
She actually didn't.
She actually didn't? Yeah, I know. Darn it, I was out of ammo. Let's just...
If you guys...
Yeah?
I don't think the lottery tickets are worth it. They're for so much, and like, if you don't win...
So much, Amadeo? That's not so much. The cheapest lottery ticket you can get is $2. And you win like $1,000. There's a chance of winning $1,000 if you just pay 2. Darn it, I just got both of them really low.
Just some people get like 1,000 of those.
Well, did you know that some people have won the lottery over 3 times in their life?
Why?
Because they're just lucky. And their chances of winning the lottery, most lotteries, are 0.0002. That's so low.
Want to know something? I was watching Avian, and she showed me a picture of someone who won the lottery
Oh.
2 times in a row in just one day.
Whoa. In one day?
Uh-huh.
Neat. My teammate just saved me. My sister's just in the room snacking on her chocolate.
I ate half the unicorn turn off.
Whoa. Or unicorn.
It's not a real unicorn.
Yeah, I know that, Amadea. I'm just being sarcastic.
Good bite.
Oh, sweet, no, no. Oh, I killed one. But then the other guy just went up to me. I was thinking about changing my gun to a sniper for this round, because this map is pretty good for snipers. Wait, Dad, I'm making a video. Please don't come in, because I know you don't.
I have to come in now.
Oh, okay. I'll just turn the computer this way.
Then I have to walk by.
I'll turn it. There you go. Now it's time for it to play. I know, like, my dad doesn't want to be in videos sometimes. So I gotta make sure he's not in it. Also, I'm not allowed to upload a video, or he'd be pretty mad at me.
Miten menee tuonne vaatekaapilla?
Now he's speaking a different language.
Mutta ne näkee isän nakuna. Sen pitää mennä vielä farkut tuonne kaappiin.
Yeah. I'm speaking a different language to him. Hi.
No, isän nimeä.
Okay.
Se on sitten alkkareissa, että eihän se ole hyvä, että voi laittaa internettiin.
Okay, okay. I'll make sure they don't see you. Okay, guys, in like 4 minutes, I'll end the recording and start a new one. Okay, my dad's moving, so I have to like turn the camera so I can't even play. All I'm able to do is just click the mouse and look around. So unless there's someone in distance that I could see, then I think I'm out of luck. Wait. There we go. I guess it's a little better, the playing situation, but it's still kind of hard. See. I'll have trouble playing now. But I'm gonna end it soon anyway, since this starts a new episode. So yeah, it's all cool. Okay, that's one down. Moving out. Okay, I got. Oh, my dad's gone, so I can go back to the normal playing. There's this. Oh no, I think I